punished. Queen stripped Harry royal role as huge price for court Home Office UK security row. Prince Harry should be stripped of his role as Counsellor of State, a royal expert has said. Royal commentator Richard Eden insisted that both the Duke of Sussex and Prince Andrew should both lose their roles as Counsellors of State. The position means they could act in the Queen's place if she cannot carry out official duties due to illness or absence abroad. Prince Charles and Prince William are also Counsellors of State, but Mr. Eden raised fears as they are currently both away on royal tours, meaning it is only Harry and Andrew left. He said, "This is why #Prince Andrew and #Prince Harry must be stripped of their roles as Counsellors of State immediately. #Royal." Mr. Eden was responding to royal expert Peter Hunt, who tweeted, "Both Charles and William are abroad. If the Queen becomes ill, either Charles flies home or Andrew steps in, an unthinkable move for many. This is the reality of having no foolproof plan to cover all scenarios for when a 95-year-old head of state can't carry out her duties." Harry is living in California after quitting as a working royal. Meanwhile, the Duke of York stepped back from public duties following the Jeffrey Epstein scandal. The Queen celebrated the Platinum Jubilee of a royal warrant holder at a specially adapted official engagement. Instead of touring the Staffordshire factory of British craftwork firm Halcyon Days as originally planned, the company came to her at Windsor Castle earlier this week, along with master artisans demonstrating their skills. It is the sort of engagement the British public are likely to see more of as the Queen, who will be 96 next month, uses a walking stick and struggles with her mobility to get around her kingdom. Her people will increasingly have to come to her instead of hosting her visits. The Queen is set to face a Commonwealth rebellion following tensions with Meghan Markle and Prince Harry, with some of the Commonwealth realms likely to be questioning their future, claimed royal historian Carolyn Harris. The resistance the royals have faced on their Caribbean tours foreseen by Ms. Harris, in 2020. The royal historian claimed that the very public disharmony within the firm could diminish the monarchy and the Queen in the eyes of the public. Speaking to Vanity Fair at the time, Ms. Harris said, "The Queen isn't just Queen of the United Kingdom. If the royal family is less visible in the Commonwealth realms in the next reign, the question of the future of the monarchy in the 16, now 15, countries might arise." Parts of the documents in a case brought by Prince Harry against the Home Office over his police protection in the UK will remain secret, a High Court judge has ruled. Last month the Duke of Sussex applied for a judicial review when it was decided he would not be allowed to pay for protection when he and his family returned to the UK. A representative for the royal, soaking up the sunshine in Los Angeles with wife Meghan and 2 children, said it was too dangerous to return as a result. At a preliminary hearing in February, the High Court heard representations from both sides to keep some of the court documents private and out of the public eye, it has been revealed. Both the Duke and the Home Office have agreed on the vast majority of what needed to be redacted from witness evidence. A judge today has allowed the bid. In his ruling, Mr. Justice Swift explained editing out information from court documents would avoid the risk that putting information into the public domain concerning security arrangements made on past occasions, and the general approach to whether and if so what arrangements should be made, may impair the effectiveness of arrangements in place now, on which may be put in place in the future. He added, information about these matters would self-evidently be of interest to anyone wishing to harm a person within the scope of the security arrangements and would assist them to piece together previous practice with a view to anticipating present or future security provision.